Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before starting, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is WAHYU RAMADHAN bin KAMARUDIN. My matric number is 13DTP21F1019 and I'm from Kuala Terengganu. This is the title of my presentation, which is Causes of Teenagers Suicide. The issue of suicide among teenagers in Malaysia has become a hotly debated topic among Malaysians and has become an issue of concern in recent times. Theoretically, suicidal tendencies can occur from any party, whether teenage, adults, and others. However, the most prominent suicides are among teenage. My purpose in choosing this title is to find out and analyze the causes or reasons why this suicide occurs. The first cause of teens attempting suicide is depression. Symptoms of depression range from feeling sad, alone, hopeless, angry, stressed, or frustrated. Depression is part of a big role in suicide. Teenagers sometimes have sad feelings. They are usually depressed because of something they do not like. Usually, the depression comes from around them only. For example, having family problems such as divorced parents. With divorced parents, teenage will feel lonely and alone because there is no one for him to complain to or to ask for help. Problems at school can also cause them depression, such as a lot of school work or less understanding in lesson. With this, teenagers will be depressed and try to solve this problem by committing suicide because they imagine the solution to their grief and their depression is suicide. This is partly due to misconceptions cause of depression. A person with depression usually does not have the same truth as a healthy person. Secondly, substance abuse can also be a cause of teen suicide, as it can not only affect the health of individual, but it can also cause them to be in situations where they will be consumed by high stress such as isolation, financial problems, losing friends and family. Because of their unstable behavior as a result of substance abuse, addressing issues caused by substance abuse, whether drugs or alcohol, it will cause their thinking to become less sane and act out of control. And users of such substance find ways to overcome this stress by committing suicide. The financial issues caused by this substance are the main reason why most people will choose to end their life, because it is difficult to be financially stable anymore and stop using the substance. In experience, even if they manage to stop taking the substance, they will usually do it again when given the opportunity and when meeting a friend involved in the activity. The last cause of suicide is mental illness. Do you know that 1 in 5 teens between the age of 13 and 18 have or will have a serious mental illness? When people with this mental illness are stressed or have problems, they will take the easy way out by committing suicide. This happens due to their insane thinking, like he thinks of suicide can calm his mind, or they hear whispers in their ears, like he heard a whisper telling them to commit suicide. For example, they are stressed due to the very noisy environment around them. People with this mental illness want to always be in a calm environment and do not want to be disturbed by anyone because they prefer to be alone. In my experience, there is a man who suffers from this kind of illness. He is harassed and ridiculed by the villagers because wearing clothes that tear. After that, he was very stressed, and then to solve the problems by trying to commit suicide. In conclusion, depression is the most common cause of teen suicide. However, there are many factors that can cause suicide, such as substance abuse and mental illness. This suicide can be to anyone, such as adults, old men, and others. It's not just for teenagers. Suicide is a very dangerous thing in this world. In Islam, suicide is a forbidden thing and strictly forbidden. To people who commit suicide, they will continue to be put in hell without calculate like non-Muslim. That's all from me. The more comes from Allah and the less comes from myself. And last, I would like to say thank you to Puan Nurul Ayuni for teaching me. Bye bye.